Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create object here in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a custom object in Salesforce is a straightforward process that allows you to store and manage data specific to your organization's needs. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the gear icon setting on the top right corner and click the setup. I want you to hover your mouse to the quick find, and from here you can type in object. That will lead you to the object manager, or here on the object manager there's going to be a drop down wherein you can simply click the new object button. Alright, now it's very simple. All I have to do is put in the label, for example account, and then an account example is account. I'm going to put this in. You can put in some description. You have an option to open the standard Salesforce.com help and training window, or open window using a Visualforce page. We're not going to do that because the Visualforce is dependent on the type of Salesforce that you are using. Just click the standard option for now. You can enter record name, label, and format. For example, these are some options. Data type is text, or you can put an auto number, depending on your goals. On the optional features, you can have an allow reports, allow activities, you can put in the track field history, allow in chatter groups, and also enable licensing if you have that. There's an I that says this object is licensed by Salesforce, and whether users require permission, set license for it. All right, so I'm not going to deal with that for now. You have the deployment status in development or deployed. You also have the option for the search status, because when this is enabled, your users can find records of this object type when they search. Of course, I'm going to allow a search for it. The last two options is going to be if you wanted to add notes and attachments related to list to default page layout. You can even launch new custom tab wizard after saving their custom object. Once you are happy with it, all you have to do is click on save, and by creating. Okay, so let's put in an account here. That easy. Click on save. And as you can see, creating custom objects in Salesforce is vital for organizations seeking to manage their data effectively and efficiently. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see you again in the next video.